Hello, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video we will talk about different facts about Amazon dropshipping, but before that make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So, how exactly do you start dropshipping on Amazon? You can dropship on Amazon through their Fulfilled by Amazon program. In this program, you ship your products to Amazon where they carry the inventory and ship directly to your customers. The benefit of this program is that Amazon has some of the fastest shipping times on the market, so your customers get their products even sooner. Can you dropship on Amazon legally? Yes, Amazon allows their merchants to dropship on their platform as long as you play by a few key rules. Be the seller on record of your products. Identify yourself as the seller of your products on all packing slips and other information included or provided in connection with them. Be responsible for accepting and processing customer returns of your products. How much does it cost to start dropshipping on Amazon? Amazon dropshipping requires everyone to sign up as a seller on Amazon's website. Their individual plan costs 99 cents per unit sold, while the professional plan will cost you $39.99, regardless of how many items you sell. Amazon's dropshipping fees vary by product type but are typically in the 10% to 15% range. This might not be feasible for those who are working with relatively small profit margins. Is Amazon dropshipping profitable? It can be. The average dropshipper sells products at a 10% to 30% margin. If they dropship via Amazon, the platform will take around 15% off their top-line revenue. If you're selling at a 30% margin, your net margin after selling a product on Amazon will be 15%. This is quite decent, especially when you consider the wide audience base you'll be able to tap into. Your Amazon dropshipping margins can be higher if you win the Amazon Buy Box, but it's highly competitive and shouldn't be something you focus on at the start. What are the benefits enjoyed by Amazon dropshippers? No warehouse cost. One of the benefits of having an Amazon dropshipping business is that you don't need to pay for the cost of a warehouse. Some Amazon sellers choose to make their products FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. With FBA, sellers ship their products to Amazon and Amazon sends the products out for them. Amazon suppliers. Amazon buys products in bulk from many European suppliers. Amazon then holds this supply in their warehouses, ready to ship to customers. The company also handles returns and customer service in many different languages for all Amazon suppliers. Large audience to sell to. Amazon has 300 million active users. This means using Amazon as a sales channel for your business can mean huge returns. Sell the right product at the right price and you can lure in new customers. Another benefit is the ability to easily reach new customers your store wouldn't have reached on its own. This will help you to expand your target audience. Multiple categories to target. Amazon has over 30 categories that you can target. So you may decide to sell in 2, 3, 5, or as many niches as you desire. With the right products and trustworthy suppliers, there's no limit to how many categories and niches you can cater to. For instance, you can sell in the electronics and tools and home improvement categories simultaneously, as there's nothing to prevent you from serving multiple audiences. That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Thank you.